All right, good morning, everyone. So let's see here. Good morning, Chris, Emmett, Kelvin, Kian, and Kira, and Michael. We're going to go into the next assignment, which is this thing right here. Okay, and like I was saying before, this concept from this particular Khan Academy assignment, you're going to notice it's hitting on one particular skill that we had covered yesterday. What do you guys notice about all these quadrilaterals that are inside of these circles here? What kind of shape is this?
Parallelogram?
Irregular?
They're not parallelograms. They're just regular. They're just quadrilaterals. They're not any specific kind of quadrilaterals, right? Notice that there are only four sides here, right?
Yep.
For all these shapes, okay? And what was said yesterday about opposite angles inside of a quadrilateral?
They supplementary.
They're supplementary. That's all it is. So after this this particular assignment, what I'm going to do with you guys is I'm going to show you maybe some of the theorems that are needed for the next assignment. Okay, so I think that's what I'll do to mix it up a little bit. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at this first one here. Okay, so this. We have a quadrilateral that's inscribed inside of the circle, okay? And it doesn't matter whether or not one of the chord is a diameter, because what we had gone through yesterday, there was no restriction, okay, as to whether the chord needed to be a diameter or not. Excuse me. So you're asked to find out what is angle D. So what is angle D going to be supplementary to? Is it going to be supplementary to 45, or is it going to be supplementary to 109?
45.
It's got to be supplementary to 45. So Chris, what?
180 minus 45, 135.
135. Okay, so you should definitely have that. That should be 135 there. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay. Now you're asked to find out what is angle R. Maybe Michael. Angle R will be supplementary to which angle? The 74 or the 92?
74.
It will be supplementary to 74. What must be the angle measure then?
106.
There you go.
Easy. This is honestly like easier than yesterday's Google form.
It was. I mean, it is. And this is the sequence that they had created, or they had outlined. Kian, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so angle K is going to be supplementary to which angle? 85 or 73?
73.
No,
I mean,
sorry.
85.
It's got to be 85. So what has to be angle K?
Angle K in this case is 95.
It's got to be 95. And Kira, angle D has to be supplementary to which angle? 117 or 85? Hey, Kira?
She's
muted.
I
muted?
think she knows she's muted.
Okay. Maybe Emmett?
Yeah, so it needs to be supplementary to angle I, and D is equal to 63.
63. And then the last one here. Okay. QUAD is inscribed in circle O. What is the measure of angle D as a result? Let me see here. maybe Kelvin. Kelvin, what do you think? Angle D, is it going to be supplementary to 106 or is it going to be supplementary to 96?
106.
106, that's right. And what will angle D be as a result?
73.
74.
Yeah.
74. Okay, good job. All right, so that's pretty much it. You don't get that exhilarating, little jingle at the end with these Google Forms, but it's all the same. So when you hit submit, I'm curious to see whether or not, did you guys hit submit yet?
Just did.
Yeah.
Just did?
Wait a minute.
Let me take a look at what the data management looks like here on my end. So this is 2 of 3 today. It's this guy right here. And there are 15 people who submitted already. Let's see, we have Carissa, Ada, Chloe, and Taylor, Sophia, Skylar. Okay, there's this really funny thing that's like, and it's really annoying. It's not funny. I need you to go into Google Classroom. Go into the assignment. Okay. Yes, you've hit submit. Okay, but you got to also click on turn in. Can you guys do that for me?
Well,
Okay.
Already
yes,
did
I'm
that.
actually like going to submit the process like later. I mean,
Say that again,
like
Chris.
I was just like doing the process here or by like simple arithmetic, but I will actually have it written down pretty soon. So
I don't know what you're saying, Chris.
I should be writing down my process pretty soon. I mean, I know how to write it down, except I didn't.
No. So I need you to go to Google Classroom because you've hit submit already. You submitted the form, yes?
Yeah, I submitted the Google form, just didn't
Good.
submit the paper.
No. So what you need to do is you need to go into Google Classroom, go into the assignment. You have to click on the button that says turn in. Can you do that
Yes,
for me? Okay. Did you all do that yet? Everyone else?
I did the one for yesterday. I just gotta do the one for. I got here a bit late. Sorry about that.
Okay, no
Yeah, I'm
problem.
gonna do the notes as soon as this video ends, or just this video chat ends.
Yeah, I'll listen to the recording.
I'm looking at the wrong thing. Shoot, I'm sorry. Hold on. Classwork.
Are you
And
talking about 1 of 3?
no, I'm trying to look up 2 of 3, the Google form.
I submitted one
Google
of
Forms
3.
is right there.
Right here. Okay. Let me see. 2 of 3. Yes. Okay. Kelvin. I see Kelvin. I see Kian. I see Emmett. But I don't see. Oh, and I see Kira. But I don't see Michael. Michael, did you hit submit? Michael?
Not yet. Yeah, not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to fill out the form and then you have to hit submit, okay?
Sure, I will.
Okay. And can you do that for me now, actually? I want to see that this actually works. That is actually. And Ty,
Sure.
are you able? Do you understand how to do the assignment for today?
Yep.
So, Ty, do you have the Google form open up?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So really quickly, right? we studied yesterday that inside of a quadrilateral, okay, the odd angles are supplementary. Remember that?
Yep.
So that means angle D in this case, okay, will be supplementary to which angle?
I.
I. What will angle D equal to?
D will equal to under 35.
That's it. So click 135, and you're gonna go through this, okay, and then you're gonna hit submit, okay. I want to see the reason why I'm asking you guys to hit submit for me is because I want to see whether or not like Google Classroom is able to log the information just by you clicking that submit button.
I know there
Got
are
it.
ways that
I put it in
there's
as
some
can.
forms that I fill out where it automatically says like submitted on that part.
Where it does, where it automatically says it's submitted, like within the Google Classroom assignment,
Yeah.
right? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, so it's like it's possible.
Yeah, I hear you there, but I want to make sure that is actually what is happening, right? Michael, do you have the form filled out yet?
I already did. Yeah, I pressed submit.
You did. Did you hit submit?
Yep, I did. Can you check?
You hit submit. Okay, so let me refresh. Let me take a look. Okay, so it's not. So it doesn't say that you're here.
Maybe I should put
Did you
mark as
turn
done.
in? Did you turn in the thing itself? Like press mark is done.
Yeah,
I
press
pressed
mark
it
is in
now.
Google Classroom.
Yeah, I pressed it now.
Okay.
Now I see
Got
it.
it.
Okay,
And then-
so you have to fill out the form, and not only that, you have to click mark as done. Otherwise, I don't see it here. Which kind of sucks because I know there are going to be a lot of people who will forget to click that button.
Well, at least you could email them.
I'm pretty sure English when you submit it, it goes straight to
It goes to it automatically, right?
Maybe you can email Miss Rosen or something. Yeah.
I don't know why. Okay. Anyway, there's something else I wanted to do with you guys today.
I'm pretty sure
Yeah, Emmett.
for the I'm pretty sure that Mr. Droz works for weekly thing.
I'm pretty sure it does too. Mr. Droz and I yesterday were playing around with the Google form, and we don't know why with the Google forms that I'm making here that it doesn't like automatically have the assignment as completed after you hit that submit button, which is baffling. Okay, so I wanted to talk with you guys about some other things. Okay, did everyone here submit the form? Let me take a look at it again. Let me see. So Kelvin did it. Let me see. Kelvin, Michael, Kira, Kian, Emmett, Ty. Did you do it?
On the last problem.
Okay. Okay. So while he's finishing that up, okay, what I'm gonna do with you guys is I want to go over some of the concepts, okay, that will be needed in tomorrow's lesson. Tomorrow's assignment is going to be a little longer. Tomorrow's lesson will be like, I think there are 13 questions there, and the reason is the concepts, though it's not that much more abstract than what we've been doing, the algebra is a little more intense. Okay, so let's take a look. All right.
Did you get it, Mr. Crane?
Say that again, Ty.
Did you get the my Google form?
Yep.
There it is.
Did you hit submit, or did you have to hit submit and mark as done?
I did submit and mark as done.
You did both of them. Okay.
Yeah, both.
which is
Yeah, it
which-
looks like you have to press both for it to appear, otherwise it doesn't.
that really sucks. Okay.
Yeah, it's fresh in my mind, so
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So I am
Sure.
going to close this. All right. So I'm going to present over here now with my tablet. Okay. All right, guys. So I want to talk with you guys about this, about the theorem that we're going to be using tomorrow, and the theorem tomorrow addresses this scenario. Okay. Let me draw it out, and you should definitely have paper and pencil ready. Okay, as I go through this. So I have a circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a diameter. And inside of this diameter, inside of the circle, I'm going to draw another chord like so. Okay. And I'm going to tell you that the following is true. Let's give these points here some names, okay, so that we can communicate together. Let's call this point right here A, then B, then C, then D, E, and finally F. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you that the that CE here, that length CE, okay, and length CF, I'm telling you that they are the same. Okay, so this is given. If CE and CF are the same length, okay, what could be said? What could be said about the angle formed between chord EF and diameter AD? So again, what could be said, in other words, about this angle over here? What is that angle? That's the question right now.
You didn't draw anything in, Mr. Chan. I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
It's
refreshing.
not refreshing. Your tablet's not refreshing.
It's not refreshing. It's not refreshing. Let me do this again.
Yeah.
Okay.
And no one said anything for the longest time.
At least I said something.
I was about to say something, but
You guys are like letting me ramble on and on and on and on.
what?
Yeah, that's funny.
I just I thought that other people were seeing
What'd you think?
it, so I didn't want to. I thought other people were seeing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's the mob mentality for you. You think other people will say something, but they don't.
Are you guys seeing this now?
We see
Are you
nothing.
guys seeing it now? You see nothing.
Nope,
we
we just
see-
see a picture.
Yeah.
I see your icon.
You just see my icon.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Why is technology so difficult today?
It was difficult on the day of the show, so I feel you.
Maybe I have
What are
to
you
stop
playing?
presenting on my laptop. Let me see.
Chris, you realize we're recording.
Yeah, that's most likely the case.
Say that again.
No, I was talking to Chris because he was playing something, and I was telling him that we're recording. So, yeah.
I'm pretty sure he has a smirk on his face. So
Oh boy, I'm scared.
yes,
It wasn't me. It wasn't
Okay.
me.
You only see my icon.
there it is.
Oh boy.
Are you talking about me?
I
Or no?
No, we're talking about
Did we
Chris.
say Michael? No, we said
gladly
Chris.
no.
Okay.
Why is my tablet not working today? This is so frustrating. Ay, ay, ay.
Wait, now you're using your tablet? To
I
do it?
am. I'm
Yeah,
using my
trying to
tablet.
get the
tablet,
tablet.
right?
I thought
You
he
guys-
always uses tablet.
I'm always
Okay,
using my
okay.
tablet. I'm using two
Yeah.
devices. I'm using my laptop and my tablet. But
Yeah, the laptop for this, for like the Google Meet, and
Yeah,
the
his
tablet for
iPad
the,
is his iPad is his greatest weapon. It's like how Thor's greatest weapon is Mjolnir. It's like that, and he
Mhm.
can't be
Yes. True enough. Yes.
and he can't be the complete geometry teacher without it.
Yes.
thank you for that analogy, Kian.
Yeah.
That is so appropriate. I mean, so on the point.
Kira, you're still mute.
You're still on mute. Unmute yourself.
Okay, I don't know why
You're
my
still
tablet
muted.
is not showing up.
Kira, you look like you're just like talking hysterically or kind of like.
You know
And that's what she's doing, but muted.
Yeah, exactly. He's muted. Just unmute yourself. Just
I don't know what
press
she
I
did.
don't see
Command
silent.
D
Maybe her
on your
volume is
computer.
off. That's what it is. I think her volume might be off too.
Sure.
This quote
Gotcha.
is like honestly got multiple problems with it. We got the presentation problem.
So you know what? I'm going to restart my tablet here. I don't know why it's not functioning.
No, the volume doesn't matter how you talk. If I muted the volume on my computer, it wouldn't stop me from talking.
I want to
So
stop recording here.
We see the tablet now.